Okay, good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at data handling. So we went through this averages and measures of central tendency, and we made some notes here as well. We wrote down a couple of notes with regards to mean, median, and mode. Not so. So let's look at a couple of examples using mean, median, and mode. Okay, I'm looking doing the examples, and this is on page. Examples on page 288. Okay, so page 288, and this is for the examples for exercise 30.1 and page 289. The question says find the mean, median, mode of the data set. So how do you calculate the mean? Just add up all the numbers divided by the number of numbers here. Not so. So in other words, to work out your mean, it's also marked with the X with a bar on top. Is going to be 4 plus 6 plus 9 plus 6 plus 9 plus 8 plus 17 plus 11 plus 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 2, and it's all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. You all agree with that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we do is we punch it in the calculator. So it's 4 plus 6 is 10 is 19. 19 and 6 is 25 is 34. It's 42, 52, 59, 60, 70, 81, 83, 89, 91, 98. I'm getting 98. So 98. No. 98 over 14. It's going to give an answer of 7. So what does that mean? The mean is 7. Okay, but in words or in reality, what would that actually tell us? And we basically tell us the averages. That will tell us if we take all those numbers and we divide it up, okay, and we divide all the numbers by 14, then each one will get 7. You guys understand? So if, for argument's sake, you all add, you 14 of you add 4 sweets, 6 sweets, 9 sweets, 6 sweets, 9 sweets, 8 sweets, or 17, 11. Okay, you decide, okay, we're going to put all our sweets together and we're going to divide, share it equally. That means you say each person will get 7. You guys understand? That's basically what it says. Let's look at the median. People, what is the median? Middlemost number. But the data must be sorted. Not so. Is this data sorted? No. How do I sort this data? I must write it in. So let's go. The smallest number is 2. There's 2 2s. 3. How many 4s are there? 1. 2 6s. 3. Triple 6, the number of the? Yes. Not joking. Alright, next. 7. Yes. Favorite number 7. 2 8s. 8. Yes. Is it 2 9s? 2. Yes. 11. 17. Okay, just take this calculator away from behind there so that you can see what's happening behind. Okay. So what we do is, since there are 14 numbers, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So if it's an even amount of numbers, there's two numbers in the middle. That's right. Which is the 7 and the 8. 7 and 6. 8. 7 and the 8 number. Okay. But what I'm saying is, relax your bones. I'm saying there are two numbers in the middle. Which is 7 and the 8th number. Not 7 and 8. The 7th number and the 8th number. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we count 7 this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see? So there are two numbers in the middle. Or we can play little games with ourselves. We put our finger, one finger on the 2 and one finger on the 17. And you work your way into the middle and you'll find two numbers in the middle. You all understand that?
Yes, sir.
So if there's two numbers in the middle, what do? We add them together. So it's going to be 6 plus 7, which is?
13 divided by 2.
Which is?
6.5.
Can you see that, people? So what does that tell us? That 50% of the data is less than 6.5 or equal, and 50% is more than 6.5 or equal. You guys understand? That's basically what it says. Half of the data is less than the median, and the other half is above the median. Is there any confusion? Eh? No? Then we got the last question that I asked you with regards to the mode. People, what is the mode? The most frequently occurring number, or the number that occurs the most. Not so. So if you look here, there are two twos, three sixes, two sevens, two eights, two nines. So therefore the mode is. So that tells us that the number that is occurring the most. You guys understand? Is there any confusion? No? Okay, let's go to the next example.
289, sir.
Thank you. 289. So here we are told a data set consists of 8 numbers and has a mean of 1.8. The data set consists of 8 numbers and has a mean of 1.8. So how did they calculate that? They added all the numbers, divided by 8. Then the answer was 1. Not so. So let this number let this set of numbers, that 8 numbers here, be x. So we say, let the first 8 numbers be x. So if that is the case, what do we do? Let the sum, it's supposed to be the sum of the first 8 numbers, no? So it's going to be x over 8 is equal to 1.8. Cross multiply into fast. Cross multiply 1 times x equals 1.8 times 8. On a calculator, first put the calculator quick. 1.8 times 8. It says 14.4. Okay, 14.4. So what does this tell us? That when we add all that 8 numbers together, we get the answer of 14.4. You all agree with that? Now, another data set consists of 42 numbers. And has a mean of 2.6. So we say let the sum of the second data set equal be 1. Okay. We have to say that? No, you don't. Okay. So how do we do this part of the calculation? Y over 42. Y for over 42? Is there 42 numbers? Nice. Equals 2 comma. So what do I do now? Divided by 1, cross multiply. So y is equal to 2.6 multiplied by 42. 2.6 times 42 gives us 109.2. Lisa Kanye is on the ball today. So what does this tell us? That the second cell is the data set, or the next 42 numbers adds up to 102. 109.2. You will agree with that? Now the question says calculate the mean of the 50 numbers. How do you calculate the mean? You add up all the numbers, divide by number of numbers. How do they get 50? 8 plus is 42 is 50. Not 0, 50. 50. Okay. You guys understand? So when you calculate your mean, it's going to be the sum of all the numbers, which is 14,4 plus 109.2, sorry, divided by 50. You guys understand? So we put that in the calculator. So it's going to be 14.4 plus that answer, which is 109.2 divided by 50. That gives us an answer of 2,47. Okay. People, you guys understand? It has to be between those two values, of course. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to look at advantages and disadvantages of the mean, median, and mode. So for homework, I would like you guys to do exercise out of your textbook 13.1, the odd numbers. So you do number 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. You guys can start with it now. If you have any issues, you can bring it to me. Let's stop the video at this point as well.